3, 2, 1.
Don't worry.
Do you think it's possible that one day we might be able to discern some hidden pattern shared by all serial killers?
Maybe they are unique. Their own sick snowflakes.
Welcome to a very special episode of the Sicarius Files. We are coming to you live from the FBI. My guest, the Sicarius killer himself.
Elias, you're a living resource.
Would you help us?
We had a copycat.
If he's my fan, he's trying to emulate his idol.
I see those wheels turning.
You think if I walk you through everything, you'll be able to stop someone else. Problem is, once it starts, it can't be stopped. FBI!
He was untraceable.
Oh, ye have little faith in my powers.
I know the type, and I know what scares me.
We got you. We are going to go where the evidence takes us.
3, 2, 1.
Whatever it takes.